It's on.
How the fuck did this shit bend like this? You hit the side. We're hitting the side of this shit right. Oh, don't scrap. This works better. This side. Take a look at my art, dude. You need to take close-ups of how everything's coming out.
That's how you remodel?
That's how I remodel. I'm up for hiring if anybody wants a bathtub replaced, toilets. I take off the toilet the same way. I'll show you in a minute, but this is with the tub right now.
And that's how you're supposed to replace a tub.
I saw a video. I was reading instructions, and I'm not far from you know.
From following instructions?
Yeah, following instructions.
Step by step?
Step by step. Each time I hit this shit with the axe, it actually said a slash hammer, but you know you gotta improvise sometimes, so I'm not exactly to the instructions. But this is working. I mean, what else do you want? Anyway, 817-714-0590. Anaconda's Customs. We replace anything you got. I'll change an alternator same way I'm changing this tub. Motors, transmissions, you call it. It'll be done. So,